I'm going to sing you Sing Rushing Water. How many times I had this dream that makes me from my slumber? How will I ever get to sleep again? Counting sheep in a book of numbers. How many times I had this dream with you walking towards me from the river? And when will I ever get to rest again? Wondering if I can deliver. This is the sound of rushing water flooding through my brain. This is the sound of God's own daughters calling out your name. This is the sound of atmosphere, trimetric tones of pressure. This is the sum of all my fears, something I just can't measure. I remember the story of Jonah, who was trapped in the belly of a whale. How many times must he succeed? How many times must he fail? This is the sound of rushing water running to my back. This is the sound of God's own daughters calling out your name. I see my shrink on an analyst's couch. It hit me with a hammer and I said, ouch. What we have here is so easy to solve. Just takes a firm purpose and some resolve. This is the sound of rushing water flooding to my brain. This is the sound of God's own daughters calling out your name. This is the sound of rushing waters flooding to my brain. This is the sound of God's own daughters calling out your name, your name, your name, your name, your name, your name. Easy to the waters running through your brain. Easy to the waters calling out your name. Easy to the waters flooding up your brain.